Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining application. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. This is the home page of the application. Like you see, this is our home page. You register with your email and put passport, then confirm email, then you will get your application ready for use. How to collect coin in this application? It's simple. We have offers here. Like you see, this is offer. We can choose categories. Apps, games, sign up, deposit insight, easy offer. You can use easy offer to get videos, keys, free trial, survey. This is the application, how it's work. Also you can click in earn. It's the same, you will get the same like I told you. There is, you can choose any option of that. If you choose application, it will ask you to install application. Like you see, for every application there is a number of coins. Like you see, this is application and coins. Like you see, it's for an iPhone and iPad. This is for an iPad, this is for iPhone, this is for Android. If you use Android, like you see, you install the application, you get 18 coins. We just install with Google Play. Like you see, it will ask just for install and open. Description: in some application it will ask you to reach some level and get your coins in your site. We open the application. It's an example. Like you see, you can get a huge number of coins and get paid to PayPal and Payeer and Vodafone Cash and Etisalat Pay. Like you see. Just some time. One time you open application. This is an example. We reload. We go to our coins. We see there is no coins yet. Don't receive any coins yet. We select application. Like you see, it already installed. Coins will be sent to our account. It's very simple. I choose apps. You can play whatever you want. Coins will be in your account after some times. We return to our app. Let's see another games or an application. Let's see this one for Android. Install and open. Build the cyber mall. In the for every application there is a description. Ask you for doing something. you do this complete description, the instruction. Coins will be in your wallet. That's how it's work. Also there is offer partner. Let's see this one. Like you see, for every installing application you will get a huge number of rewards. For this one you can install a game that you want, that you love, and you play with it as usually, and you will get your coins in your application. After that you can withdraw, or show you how to withdraw. Like you see, it asks you to reach this instruction. Don't use VPN or emulator. Like you see, time limited, 13 days. You must complete this offer for 13 days. New user only, and reward will be in 24 hours. Like you see, play the game and complete the tasks. It's very simple. You install the application, a new user, open the app immediately after, and for a smooth experience and higher competition chance. When you scroll down all steps, for every level you will get points. Like you see, for every level you get points for this game. How to see your progress in your game for this Toro offer? If you click here, you get your activities. I already installed an app, like you see, in progress. I already installed this app in progress. You play as usual for a phone, and you can see your apps here in my activity for this offer. Like you see, for Toro. If we choose another offer page, it will offer games purchase. You can do any offer. I always preferred games. Let's see this one. Like you see, instruction, install and open. That's all. It will ask you for install and open. We will install and open. That's all. You can install as many as you want. Like you see, if you go here, we see reward statues. Like you see, I have my rewards. I have this grab point. I have this point. Rewarded it. This is clicked. This will be in my wallet as soon as possible for 24 hours. It will be found here. Like you see, for every offer you do like that. If you choose this one, work in offer, use your Wi-Fi, install maximum of application. If you want to earn more and more points, install in game that you love and use it, play with it as you want. Like you see, if I choose Android games, newest. There is no offer in this one. If you choose another offer, it's the same. You can proceed your like you see, this is points. If you click in this offer, it will open in your browser. It will ask you for something. Let's see, it asks for reach various board level, new user only, confirm in 7 days. This is the table of offer from earn. Play your wanted game. Also, when you click in your profile, there is bonus code. Bonus code will be released in social media. You can choose Twitter, X, or Facebook, or Instagram, or Discord, as you want. You just click in one of them and like the page. You will be notified in your application. When you get the code, just pass it in the field. This is rewards, like we see here. You complete 10 server for 10 points, complete 20 for 20, complete 13 for the 13 points. Like you see, you can complete server, but I prefer using application. Use game is the game that you want. You can click in games and choose the game that you want, any game that you have, and just play it for some days or sometimes. If you play hard, you will get points in your account. Like you see, type of payment. You click here near points, you add your method of payment, like you see, or click in withdraw. There is Vodafone Cash, there is Etisalat Cash, there is Orange Cash for Egypt, there is PayPal, like you see. Put your email address of PayPal. Minimum payout is 2,000. 2,000 points minimum. There is many ways to pay. There is Etisalat, say. There is gift card. There is wallet also. There is many ways. There is PUBG. For PUBG, you can get your redeem code for PUBG for $1. Minimum is 1,000. You can get coins for PUBG for free. You can replenish your PUBG for free. Minimum is 1,000 points. You can claim by just downloading an application. There is per year. Minimum is 2,000 points. That's all. It's very simple. Choose playing any game, just install game and play usually as you want, as many as you want, and your cumulative points would be in your account. It's very simple. For your you can use your the type of offer wall, like I show you. There is many offer. You can see your progress in the application in every offer. Points will be can take up 24 hours to be credited to your account. Don't worry, just play and install app. That's all. Like you see, payment there is many payment to PayPal, to Payeer, to Vodafone Cash, to Litecoin also. In crypto also you get paid in Litecoin. Gift card, Xbox Live Gold, and PUBG and Valorant. There is many way to get paid. This is our application today. The link will be in description, also the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.